Welcome to WebDewey. Your logon details will be emailed once you have submitted the agreement in Unit 7. This is the standard search screen. Items entered here will search all of Dewey as a keyword search. This means that all the fields in every record will be searched. We have choices up here of searching, advanced search, browse. Down here we have the main classes and tables. We're not worried about the abridged edition, and we won't be looking at the Dewey services. You can use the main classes if you know approximately which number you would like to use. For example, we know that libraries are in the generalities, the triple O's, so we can go in here and find libraries at 020, choose this number and find something a bit more specific. There's also the tables to have a look at. Let's look at Table 2. Table 2 is the geographic areas, historical periods and biography. So let's go into 2.1, the areas and regions. So we can dig down a little bit deeper and look at the specific continents or the zonal, physiographic and socio-economic regions. This tells us all sorts of types of regions that we can add on to numbers when the notes give us specific instructions to build such a number. Let's go to the advanced search. Here you can choose to search in different fields such as Dewey numbers, relative index, captions, notes, or all of Dewey. You can also choose to use Boolean to combine the different fields with and, not, or. Notice that the tables and main classes are at the bottom of every page. If you go through a browse search, this is different to keyword searching because this means that you are going in alphabetical order. You can only browse the Dewey numbers or the relative index. Browsing will always provide a list of results. The result closest to your search term will appear second in the list in alphabetical order. Let's browse for photograph in the relative index. Here you see photograph has come second, but this is photograph with police records. Following this in alphabetical order, we've got photographers and photographic. Come down to the bottom of the screen to find photographs in a table 1 number that starts with T1, or photographs in art is 779. Click on the link to tell you more about it. With this we can follow the hierarchy to see if it is relevant for what you need. Here 779, the number in bold, is a subset of photography, computer art, film, which is part of the arts and recreation class. These numbers are built numbers, we can see by the little jigsaw piece. Down in the notes it tells you what can be added here. So we can put in film strips, slides, transparencies, digital images, as well as photographs and prints. They all come under this number 779. Instructions here which say add to the base number are instructions on how to actually build the number to make it more specific. We'll discuss that in another tutorial. If we do a search on the word photograph, we'll search photographs and see the different results that we get. We have the table number, we have how libraries treat photographs and films. Down here we have an icon which is a manual, which are instructions on when to place something in 779 or when to use 770.92. There are some more built numbers. Now that we have finished looking at how to search the WebDewey, go to the next topic and try some browse searches for yourself. Remember to click Browse in the relative index.